it's not to the days alone, because the days she wouldn't see if she didn't go didn't do those jumpings. Rav Ashi, listen to this. Rav Ashi says, no, there's a chiddush here. Going the kafetz bechad b'Shabbos. She jumps on a Sunday, v'chazai, and she sees down. Kafetz bechad b'Shabbos. She jumps on a Sunday, v'chazai, she sees down. Read the brackets. B'Shabbos kafetz v'lei chazai. But on Shabbos, she jumped. She's not supposed to be doing exercise on Shabbos. Oh. Stretches. You're allowed to stretch. She jumps on Shabbos.
She was reaching up to get the milk.
Right, but she doesn't see. Why not? It's not the day. It's not the right day. But on Sunday she sees without jumping. Maybe you'll say that it's the Sunday that's causing it, not the jumping. And not the jumping. Kamash Malan, the kvitza nami the esmal garma. It was yesterday's jumping that caused it. Why didn't she see? Because the time of jumping didn't come. It wasn't the right time yet. So yesterday's jumping combined with what happens today is still going to establish that.
It's possible to have a Vessus weekly.
Well, it doesn't. It would be
next month.
It's probably a month later on a Sunday, but it says over here. That
the week of the vest.
I don't know.
There is such a thing.
It's not saying that.
These cycles on Harbor Drive.
Yeah.
Excellent. That's it.
Say
In Shulchan Aruch it discusses.
Okay.
It also uses it. The question is there a difference between saying that it's an interval, if it's every Sunday of the month, then that would also be an interval of 28 days, right? That would be 28 days automatically.
They say la'achar shlosha shavua.
Right. So, but that's an interval of 28 days. The chiddush over here, what it's quoted in Shulchan Aruch, is that an interval of 28 days takes 4 times to create a vest, because I need a first one. I need a first one to be the jumping point, to start from there. Then you get to 28. That's only one. That's only one. And then there's 2 and 3. That's a total. But if I don't do it like that, and I look at the weekdays, then I establish the vest in only 3 days, in three times instead of 4. So that's why it comes out like this. If you look at the weekdays,
21, not 28 days.
Okay, 4 weeks instead of. Okay. There's a list nachrina. Amar Rav Huna. The list nachrina it gets difficult because we have parentheses here, and if you read it this way, you read it that way, it's totally different. Let's see. Amar Rav Huna. Rav Huna says, Rav Huna is a student of Rav, that main student that we said. Yeah, it's directly Rav Huna, right under Rav. It says like this: Kafta v'rasa, kafta v'rasa, kafta v'rasa. She jumps and sees. Kavala vest liyamim v'leila kvitzis. It's a vest for days, but not for jumping. Hey Chidami, what's the case? Amar Rav Ashi, the kafetz bechad b'Shabbos v'chazai. She jumps on a Sunday and she sees. The kafetz bechad b'Shabbos v'chazai, and she jumps on a Sunday and she sees. Now, let's not say the brackets. Ulechad b'Shabbos chazai b'lei kvitza, and on Sunday she sees without jumping. The hasim iglai milsa the emut kagarim. Obviously, it's the Sunday; it's not the jumping. If you read the brackets, b'Shabbos kafetz v'lei chazai, it throws you off. What's the lishna achrina? It's exactly the same. Then Shabbos kafetz v'lei chazai. Then it's a contradiction to the last lishna, which is, I guess it could be fine. The Gra over here writes, Loigar Sinanla, to take out those parentheses. I
don't think they're contradictory, because yesterday we learned with the woman that had the every 90 days, and then there was a case for whether it was 90, 91, and 93, and the Maskana was, it's really kind of the same.
Right.
So here, so you know what? That last Shabbos is jumping. Actually, the blood showed up the next day, and then you could say they're really both saying the same thing. maybe.
Over there, we were establishing if the woman stopped seeing dam or if she's back seeing dam. But we weren't establishing a calendar of when she has to anticipate it. This is different. When you're establishing a calendar to create an anticipated vest, it has to be exact, it has to be precise. Over there, we're establishing, is it a woman that has dam at all? Over there, we didn't need an anticipated vest. And on the contrary, an anticipated vest, that vest would have actually made her daya shaita. Because a woman, kol isha sheyesh la vest is daya shaita. So we're just trying to get her to be established as a woman that sees without creating an actual vest. We had to put it on around the time, but not exactly, not precise. Yeah, I have to leave it at the Mishnah to stop here. Okay.
Thank you, Professor.
Yeah.
This was our